Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Charmander Showcase. This episode is probably going to be very short, so let's get right into it. So I just picked a random container in my house, and usually you see these containers, we like recycle them to store like toys and stuff. So this one, it had biscuits and stuff. And inside, it was mostly magnets, but there was also some lineup toys. Yeah, magnets. We don't even use them. I used to play around with them and make words and stuff. I do. There's also math calculations. That's not gonna be very enjoyable episode if I showcasing magnets. So let's get right into it. So the first wind-up toy I want to talk about is this fishy. And I don't think I'm going to test these wind-up toys because I don't think you can see it. Because I don't think it's going to work in these carpet. But this fish, I think we got this from a dollar store or something. It will shake his tail and move. That seems still working. But we'll move something like that. But I don't want to move to a non-covered area. Maybe I will show that later. But this doesn't work. I just tested. It's a watermelon with a face. Yeah, with feet. So bow, 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 bow. Yeah. But I'm testing it. It doesn't even work. So it's just decoration now. Next, we have this dragon. I remember I got this from speech class. I see I like got a bunch of these. And it's like pretty cool. So these are like dragons, dinosaurs and stuff. I think it's like a Chinese dragon. Yeah, but this is long. Because Western dragons, they're like big and they have wings. Like usually Asian dragons, they're just long, like this. But this just moves. It doesn't do anything unique like the fish. The last three we're gonna showcase today is these three. And we got these from the Vietnamese store. So this elephant is a good luck. Yeah, that's it. And I think the head shake and it moves. But I don't know if the head will still shake. The next one is this horsey. It's a horse happy. And it will move and shake its head. But we're gonna test it in the end of the episode. Oh, you can move the tail and you can see it will move that. Oh, the elephant also has a tail. But I guess it doesn't work. The head doesn't work no more. And the last but not least is the chicken. The green chicken. It's beautiful for this one. But I think out of the three of these, the chicken is definitely the best. And out of the six, the chicken is definitely my favorite. The second one will be the fish. Because the chicken has like so many colors to it. It's pink, purple wheels, yellow tail, red, whatever that thing is called, and then green body. But they put so much effort to this one. But anyways, I'll go test them out and sell them. Here's the chicken one. It's going to be very difficult to do. Oh shit, it's going backwards. Anyways. Oh, we did get to shake his head. This is fast. So that's the warm-up. Doesn't work. That's the end of the episode. See you guys later.